Okay, so I'm going to remove this carefully, and I am going to tape up the edges. So I'm going to tape just in line with the edge. I'm hoping I get the effect that I want. I don't know, it might be a little bit too orangey. Remember, we've got our tear there, so just make sure that you repair it with a double-sided tape. And then finally the side. Okay, so taped up. Score it just to help with folding, and don't do what I've just done there because you will tear your paper as well. So just make sure you're on your mat, and then we are going to just miter the corners. I'm using my miter jig. And the Australian Girls, I think Jenny Heslop still has some in stock. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our board to fold. I like to come in with this tool. Help with the fold a little bit. So I'm going to remove this one long side. I'm going to remove this side. Sorry, that is Zeke. Those of you know my boy, he never leaves my side. I'm going to pull that side in, push that side in, flip it over, I'll just give you a close up there. So that side is being tucked, that side is being pushed in. Just use your board to help you. I'm not using a very thick board here, and it seems to be working absolutely fine. And that is the front of my album, and that is the back of my album. So we've got this very much sort of touchy-feely. Before I go on, I just want to add there's the spine there. Not too sure what I've got there, but anyhow, you're not going to see it. So there's the outside of my album and there's the inside of my album.